Here's how you build the Blacklight Athena X gaming chair. First, you're going to take the base and attach the wheels to it. Then you're going to insert the hydraulic piston with the plastic cover into the base. Next, here's a layout of all your screws and the Allen key that comes with it. For this part, you're installing the recline and tilt mechanism. You first need to attach the levers to the pins on the left and right side. Then take your screws and start them finger tight, followed by tightening them all evenly with your Allen key. Now you're going to pop your seat on top of the piston, put the back part in line with the two upright brackets, screw in the Allen key screws, and finally put on the covers to those side pieces. Now that's how you build the Blacklight Athena X gaming chair. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. All I ask is you be nice. That's all I ask. And if you want to see my full review and video, it will be linked in the description. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you Rebels in the next one.